stop playing this game.
I'm not playing a game?
Yes, mm-hmm.
What game am I playing? What game? What precisely is the nature of my game? You tell me.
Oh, this whole...
What?
All your rules and your walls and your doors and your people and your money and all these clothes and everything. This game. Everything here. The whole... Nothing is normal or natural or... Everything is a game. Yes, mister. No, madam. Yes.
Well, if it's
I don't eat this. I don't drink that. I don't...
If it's my life that you're describing, it's entirely up to you whether you choose to share it or not. If you don't wish to share that life, as apparently it's so disagreeable to you in every respect, why don't you just fuck off to back where you came from?